Who doesn't want clean, attractive, glass-like glowing skin? We often see on social media that some guys or celebrities look extremely attractive. That's because their skin glows and shines. And surely, at some point, it must have crossed your mind. How do they look so attractive? And how can I also look attractive or glowing? Look, bro, at first, they were just normal people like you. You can see for yourself, The Rock used to look like this before, and now he looks amazing. Cristiano Ronaldo also looked different before. Now check out his look. There are many more examples. Zac Efron, Tom Cruise, they all were normal like you in the beginning. But now their skin glows and they attract people. But if you watch this video till the end, from today onwards, your skin will also start becoming clean, attractive, and glowing like glass. This video is divided into 4 steps. The first 2 are essential to watch. The third one is very important. And without the fourth one, you can never take your skin to the maximum level. Before diving into the video, hit the like button once. I will tell you what to apply on your skin. But do you know where all skin problems actually start? Inside your body. Only when the inside is healthy will the glow appear outside. This is a root-level solution. So, first, we'll make a super effective skin glowing drink that you can easily make at home. You'll need lemon, turmeric, and honey. These 3 are powerful ingredients that naturally detox your skin. According to a study, regular use of turmeric reduces pigmentation and dark spots, giving your skin an even tone. Recipe: juice of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all these in a glass of warm water and drink. Your skin will start healing from the inside and naturally start glowing. But along with this, it's very important to follow the next tip because using the face wash correctly is crucial. To get glowing skin, it's very important to follow the correct cleansing routine. Often, we use the wrong cleansers or over-cleanse, which can break the natural skin barrier. Selecting the right cleanser depends on your skin type. It ensures your skin stays clean but doesn't dry out or get irritated. Golden rule: avoid over-cleansing. Washing your face twice a day is enough. Over-cleansing can dry out your skin, which then increases oil production and pimples. Skin types can be dry, oily, combination, or sensitive. For such skin types, there are some good facial cleanser brands available in the market that you can use. For example, Hydrating Facial Cleanser gently hydrates while cleaning. Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, mild, perfect for sensitive skin. Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, balances moisture and cleans effectively. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser, Provita Cleanser, gentle daily care with instant freshness. Youth to the People's Superfood Cleanser, nourishes skin while cleansing naturally. These cleansers brighten your skin and give an instant glow. They are specially designed for men's tougher skin, which is why they're my favorite. They often contain salicylic acid, which reduces pimples and prevents new ones from forming. They also lighten acne marks, keeping your skin clear and smooth. The best part? They contain no harmful chemicals and have a fresh fragrance. So that was today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and comment. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Take care.